In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete calendars in Google Calendar. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed with too many calendars, or if you just need to remove a calendar that's no longer in use, this video will guide you through the steps in a simple and straightforward manner. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Google Calendar website. Open your web browser and type in Google Calendar in the search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the first link that leads you to the official Google Calendar page. If you're already logged into your Google account, this step should take you directly to your calendar interface. If not, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, take a look at the list of calendars displayed on the left side of your screen. These are the calendars that are currently available under your Google account. Find the calendar that you want to delete. Next to the calendar's name, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. This option will take you to a new page with various settings related to that particular calendar. Here you can find several options to customize and manage your calendar, but today we're focused on deleting it. Scroll down the settings page until you see the option labeled Delete. It's important to be cautious at this stage, as deleting a calendar will remove it permanently from your Google account, including all events associated with it. Make sure that you've selected the correct calendar before proceeding. Once you're certain, click on the Delete button. This will prompt a confirmation dialog box asking if you're sure you want to delete the calendar permanently. Think carefully before you proceed, as this action cannot be undone. If you're sure about your decision, click on Permanently Delete. And just like that, the calendar will be removed from your account. Remember that deleting a calendar is a permanent action. If you're working in a professional or shared environment, ensure that other stakeholders are informed before you delete a calendar to avoid any unintentional data loss. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Google Calendar and declutter your schedule effortlessly. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.